White rain lilies are great. Small little bulbs, but plant them. They'll put out roots and they'll make a big impact in your garden over time. They don't take long to start multiplying. We love white rain lilies because they can handle wet conditions or just regular irrigated conditions. You really don't want to let them get dry, but if you give them some irrigation, they're going to do great. We use them more like around farm ponds in the southeastern United States or in decorative ponds in your backyard. They bloom late summer and into the fall, the white rain lily.